Hello, you're watching the Star News Update. I'm Lucinda Joseph. The World Health Organization has raised its alert level for the fast-spreading swine flu to its next to highest notch. This means a global pandemic could be imminent as the virus spread further and reported its first death outside Mexico. A Mexican toddler who had traveled with his family to Texas became the first fatality outside of Mexico, and total American infections surged to nearly 100. In Malaysia, health screens in major airports continue. The Kedah Health Department is not using thermal screening to check suspected swine flu cases at the Bukit Kayu border entrance, since large number of people travelling between the Malaysia-Thailand border are locals and Thais. However, the Kedah Health Department Director, Dr. Hasna Ismail, says to prevent the outbreak from reaching this country, all tourists had visited the swine flu-affected countries must fill up a health declaration form upon entering Malaysia. Dr. Hasna added that a similar method is being used at the Langkawi International Airport and also at the Kuah Jetty for ferry passengers from Thailand. She says the department would tighten its measures to prevent the spreading of the swine flu if it reaches the neighbouring country. Mask suppliers in Penang are ready to stock up on their supply as a precautionary measure in the wake of the swine flu outbreak. A check by the Star at several pharmacies in the state saw pharmacists stocking up their supply on flu medication, masks and thermometers. Meanwhile, Penang Health Department Director Dr. Teh Lei Chu says they are screening patients on transit flight as a precautionary measure. Patients will have to fill a health declaration form, and if there are any flu symptoms, their body temperature will be taken. She says all hospitals and clinics in the state have their staff members on standby and are ready with the necessary facilities such as rooms to isolate the patient should the need arise. Thursday also marks the last day for filing up the tax forms. A check at the Inland Revenue Board office in Jalan Duta, Kuala Lumpur on Thursday saw the situation relatively calm. The crowd was relatively small and there were no jostling for space. Even the seats for latecomers were still available. About 1.2 million people, almost half of the 2.5 million taxpayers in the country, used the e-filing system last year. When the system was first introduced in 2006, only 187,000 taxpayers responded online filing of taxes. The number grew by more than 350% in 2007 with 876,000 e-filers. Counter services will be extended until midnight Thursday. For more updates, log on to thestaronline.tv. I'm Lucinda Joseph. Thanks for watching.